The thugger, baby. Yeah. Metro. Metro. And what? Metro booming, want some more, nigga. Shit. Shoot a minute bad like Ricky, but not slick. Spit like 7 bands on a tricolor pit. All my signs red like a star.
What's up, YouTube? It's Lil G here. We got Brian here. We finna go to Walmart. Stay overnight real quick. Sorry it's not focusing, but let's start with the video real quick. It's raining outside, so let's go. Alright, so you know right now it's like 7. Just got in Walmart. What?
If we knew the manager, like he let us do it.
That's what I'm saying. If we knew the manager, it'd be dope. But we finna start right now. First we do the baby diaper for it, then dog food for it. Stay all night there, and yeah.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. It's alright, slick head. So? Yeah, I told y'all. So I made it mine. Yeah, I told you.
Hold on. So you know, we practically done over here.
It ain't gonna fit.
Practically done over here with the little baby for it.
Bro, I just got stuck.
I just put everything back in here. Alright, so we in the diaper for it. Finna probably get out in a little bit. Yeah. Brian back there. Midway through the challenge, Brian actually has to leave right there. He helped me with the dog for it. So yeah, pretty chilling here. So let's do some bust outs with the baby diaper, alright? Did my phone just drop? Oh shit.
It dropped into my thing?
Hell yeah. Shit, my phone just dropped.
His phone dropped, yeah.
I'm gonna grab it. Just wait. Alright, so I got the dog food for it real quick. Staying there for the whole night. And yeah, Brian ready got the dog bath. We just got out of the we just got the baby diaper for it. So let's start the dog food for it. So yeah, let's start the dog food for it real quick and yeah.
Can I have an associate from the farm?
So yeah, let's start real quick.
Yeah, so I made it mine. Jump in the bar, rather than not. I can't lie. Now you gon' ride.
Alright, so it's pretty much done real quick. Finna get in there real quick. Quick little tour. So yeah, you finna get in there real quick and yeah. Also, no, we in the dog food for it. Pretty decent. Bed, carpet. Got my bed right here. Pretty comfortable, to be honest. Staying here for a couple more hours, stay overnight, then yeah. Brian out there has a lookout real quick. We had staying here for a couple nights. Yeah. Alright, so right now, Brian went to the bathroom. He was just in the fort. So right now, it's about like 11 o'clock. I'm finna go real. Alright, so been here for a little more. Been here for a little more. And yeah, just chilling, to be honest. Wait a second. I'm finna come out.
Come on.
Actually, that low-key kind of fun sliding out. Alright, so we'll be back to the fort. It's kind of decent inside. The bed right there. Rug. Other bed right there. The fort. The work right there. The fort's pretty decent, so yeah. I can see. I throw it. Sugar.
Hey, let's go around other people.
We out. Ooh. Home team hoops. Home team hoops. Home team hoops.
Funny.
So it's about 12:50 right now. I'm gonna go back to the fort and knock out for the rest of the night. To eat some food and all that. And yeah.
Oh, you said eat some food?
Well, okay, well, yeah. So I'm gonna go back to the fort. And yeah.
I will open them.
So let's go back to the fort and go to sleep. And yeah, it's pretty successful. We got our man. Don't know who this is, but you know, we got our man. You feel me? Or if you're watching this is you. And then next you know, we got our man, the Ferdinand right here. He a little chubby, you feel me? So yeah.
Yeah, I remember.
What the fuck? Watch. You know, I just dropped my phone down there, so now we trying to get it.
It doesn't reach.
Trying to get my phone. Shout out to Brian if he can get this.
Hold on. I'm finna get it, YouTube. Right now.
Hey, shout out to Bryant. Home team hoops. Home team hoops. Shout out to section 11. Hey, give me right here. It's gonna be a quick thumbnail. Let's just have it like right here. It's gonna be like this, right? Alright, thumbnail. Thumbnail alert. Prepare for it. The camera died, so we can't show y'all what the fort like, but I got some extra footage. Alright, let's go. Alright, so it's like 1 a.m. Alright, so it's like 1 a.m. right now. Alright, Brian actually left. It's like 1 a.m. at Walmart. Finna go to sleep. Hopefully I can knock out. He left because he got a game tomorrow for basketball. It's about the morning time now. I think we did it. 8:20, did it. It's the next day. Finna get out, go home. It was complete. That just hurt. It was complete, so let's go. Water. Yep.
Too damn phone, can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam.
Alright, so it's complete. So finna go to the crib real quick. And yeah, it was complete success, so let's go. Alright, so yeah, let's go back in here, grab this material. It's the next day VOS. It says 8 something. Shout out to my portable charger for this. Not focusing for some reason. 8:50. So thank you everybody for support. Another video dropping soon. So yeah. So watch out for the next video. Out to Walmart right there. Walmart. We just finished it. So I'm finna go home now. Bryant had to go home, so hopefully this is a good video and all that. And yeah, shout to Walmart though. And yeah. Shout out to Walmart for being so easy. No, I'm joking, but this time we didn't get caught. So thank you. But yeah, shout out to Walmart and finna go home, get in the car, and yeah. Oh my God, that's a nice Camaro right there.
Work never stop, hard work never stop.
That's a decent Camaro.
My energy, oh what? Yeah, two bitches they into me. I think they feeling me. They gon' love my energy. That's why they turn off my energy. My energy, my energy. I pump in my energy. I take off my energy. Two bitches, I swear they kissing me.